Robot technology changes so fast, my robot will be obsolete in no time. My machine shop can't afford that. It's important to look closely at what the people are selling when they talk about quick obsolescence and robots. You might be surprised at what you learn. Some newly designed robots may quickly become obsolete because they haven't been fully developed yet. We started developing this purpose-built CNC machine tending robot 15 years ago, so it's tried and true. You aren't going to get product tweaks or bug fixes every couple of weeks. This robot has stood the test of time because it's been state-of-the-art for more than a decade. As for becoming obsolete, how fast does your CNC become obsolete? We've paired this robot with brand new CNC machines, and we've paired it with CNCs that were old enough to vote. Here's the bigger question. When is loading and unloading a CNC going to become obsolete? To explore how our purpose-built CNC machine tending robot can help your machine shop gain control over production and costs, call us at 866-952-9020 and then press 1 to start the conversation. RoboJob USA, first in CNC automation.